guys, Mr. Mackie here. Now yesterday we started focusing on shapes for Shapes Week and we looked at perimeters. And I showed you how to find the perimeters of loads of different shapes. Squares, rectangles, triangles, even pentagons. And I set you this challenge. Now for the ones we did yesterday, we used other knowledge we've picked up through previous videos to help find those missing sides to find the perimeter. And I wanted you to use this knowledge to find the perimeters of these two triangles. Now for the first one, we can find this missing side thanks to these two lines or these two angles. Why? Because these lines tell us that the triangle is isosceles. Now when a triangle is isosceles, it means that two of the sides are the same. So if this side is 9, this side is also 9 meters. So now we can find the perimeter by adding them all together. 9 and 9 is 18. Add 6, that gives you a perimeter of 24 meters. What about this triangle? Well, what do we use to find the missing side of a right angle triangle? Pythagoras. So what we do is we square our 5 to get 25, square our 12 to get 144, add them together to get 169, and the square root of that gives us a side 13 meters. And now we can add these together as well. 13 and 12 is 25. Add 5 gives us a perimeter of 30 meters. Now we've looked at finding the perimeters of quite simple shapes today. We're going to try ones a bit more difficult now. Let's see how it goes. Now for shapes like these, we can find the perimeter rather easily if we have all of the sides. So for this one, we have 3, add 9 gets us 12, add 10 gets us 22, add 3 again gets us 25, add 7 gets us 32, add 6 gives us 38 meters. So finding the perimeter of compound shapes like this are pretty straightforward if you know all the sides. Now the problem with this compound shape is we're missing one of the sides. But we can still find it thanks to the knowledge that these sides add together to get this side. So the 8 meters here is still part of that line, and the 4 meters there is also part of this line. So when we combine this line with this line, we will get that line. So how long would that line be? Well, we do 8, add 4, and that will get us 12 meters. Now we can find the perimeter. 6 and 12 is 18, add 13 is 31, add 4 is 35, add 7 is 42, add 8 gives you 50 meters. There's also a missing side in this shape. How can we find the missing line here? Well, we know that this line here, which is 4 meters, with this line here, put together, will get us a total of 16 meters. So if we know this, we now know that 4 add our missing line will get us 16. So let's write this up here. 4 add our missing line gets us 16. How do we find our missing line? Well, that's when the balancing part will come in. We minus 4 on both sides, and that will get us 12 meters. And now we can find the perimeter. 4 at 15, 19. 19 at 16, 35. 35 at 5, 40. 40 at 12, 52. 52 add 10 gets you 62 meters. Compound shapes could come in all different shapes and sizes, quite literally. So, how do I find the missing side on this to find the perimeter? Well, we know that this side plus this side plus this side will get us our missing line. So, what we do, we add our 3's together to get 6, add our 9, that will get us our missing side 15 meters. So let's find our perimeter. 3 of 10, 13, 13 of 15, 28, 28 of 10, 38, 38 of 3, 41, 41 at 8, 49, 49 at 9, 58, and 58 add 8 gives you a perimeter of 66 centimetres. It's pretty straightforward once you know how to find the missing side. Now, because perimeter doesn't take too long to go over and all you need to understand is you need to add the sides together once you know them all, let's move on to our challenge. Now here is your challenge for today. I want you to find the perimeter of this shape. Now, there's two sides missing that you need to find this perimeter. But I'm going to give you two clues to help you. Okay? I've drawn a little dotted line to show you that this actually can make a triangle, a right angle triangle to be more specific. The length of this full line is the exact same length as this line, so we know this will all make 24 centimetres. Okay? This part of the triangle is 7 centimetres. Have I given you any more information to find the rest of this line? Good luck. Hope you do well. We're going to do one more lesson on perimeter tomorrow, and then we're going to move on to area. Good, take care. See you guys.